Are you looking for high-quality mesh? Then, look no further. The Mesh Company is an established manufacturer and leading UK supplier of bespoke wire mesh products. We are committed to delivering an excellent service and offering a wide range of mesh products that cater to various applications across diverse sectors. Our full selection of mesh is available on our online store, and includes products such as woven mesh, chicken wire, welded mesh, perforated sheet and much more. Not only do we offer a huge range of goods, we also offer competitive prices, free UK delivery, 30-day returns policy and excellent 24-hour response customer service. With over 140 years of experience in the mesh industry, we intend to continue the history and tradition of wire weaving. We are proud to be part of Locker Group, a leader in the wire industry since 1878, and we aim to uphold the same standards and historical role in wire production. Whereas Locker Group supply business to business, we supply business to consumer, and our products can be fabricated to suit many different applications and projects such as in construction, architecture, automotive, agriculture and more. You will also find our products on our highly popular eBay and Amazon stores, and we have lots of interesting blogs on our website for those are looking for any information on mesh. We have everything. And it's all manufactured, stocked and shipped from Warrington, the famous town for being home of the wire.